Do you know why older men tend to have women they like and why women choose somebody older when they want to date? You may assume that it is money or maturity, and though you are right, there is much more to this. You know, older men have been around long enough for them to understand some of the subtle strategies needed to capture that perfect 10. If you're somewhere in your 20s, the dating games now reside in the hands of women, but if you apply some of the crucial strategies that older men use, you will get women attracted to you in no time. Let's explore exactly how you can make this possible. In addition, no manipulation is required. Number 1, older men are non-reactive. One of the main challenges with younger men is their total lack of patience, which often strikes them. More specifically, younger men are likely to react to everything immediately, and because they don't think about their actions, they are likely to scare women away. One thing about older men is that their minds get busy with numerous things. There are bills to pay and targets to be achieved, which means their minds are more flexible with the woman and her behavior. If a woman does something he disagrees with, he doesn't feel the need to retaliate. This is what often challenges women and why they keep coming back. Number 2, older men still understand how to take charge. The one attribute that sets older men stand out from the rest of the dating world is that they grew up in an environment that forced them to take leadership roles. These men have always been at the forefront of society to take charge. Even if situations have changed, women still prefer to avoid responsibility and accountability. For this reason, you should concentrate on leadership and being someone she can depend on. Once you acquire the technique of leading her in conversation and life, you will discover that women become so attached to you that they will frequently be the people trying to distract you. These men have always been at the forefront of society to take charge. Even if situations have changed, women still prefer to avoid responsibility and accountability. For this reason, you should concentrate on leadership and being someone she can depend on. Once you acquire the technique of leading her in conversation and life, you will discover that women become so attached to you that they will frequently be the people trying to distract you. Number 3, they don't have to do everything right away. When a younger man goes on a date, he promptly feels that he needs to get something. However, as you grow older, you will understand that dating is a race, not a sprint. It takes effort to make her fall in love. Older guys have grown up to accept the circumstances, and this is why they concentrate on the longer-term approach. For women, this implies that she is not subjected to any pressure, and they are free to be themselves. Women like being comfortable, which is what older guys tend to offer. Number 4, ego does not work. One reason why men commonly strike out with women is the fact that they appear to be highly egotistical. They might have discovered something new, and now they are applying it without it being compatible with their personalities. As mentioned, older men have established their place in society and realize that you cannot try to be someone you are not. It is for this reason that women like them. Once you discover that you can accept yourself among women, your actions and words will be more consistent. Number 5, they talk about realistic ideas. Realistic ideas are an attribute that older guys discover as they age. The smarter you become, the more you realize what is possible and what is not. Whenever they understand this, their everyday discussion is more realistic, and due to this, it shows the woman that you are working on something to give her stability. You see, women need stability more than they want plenty of money. The dual dream of becoming successful is something you may ultimately place in one another. However, it would help if you learned to concentrate on giving her stability, or at least plans to make situations stable. Women absolutely enjoy this. Number 6, they are busy every day. No one actually talks about the benefits of being busy all day. You see, being busy allows you to ignore women and not continually obsess about wherever she is or what she is doing. Too much time, on the other hand, is the ideal environment for insecurity. The most important thing is that you should keep yourself busy and not worry about whether or not she is messaging you or reading your messages. They say that those who are always obsessed with women don't have enough issues in life. You should concentrate on having other more significant things to be concerned about than women. Number 7, saying no. Finally, the one word that people despise is the word no, although it is significantly more powerful than saying yes. Since women are accustomed to people always saying yes, the instant you start saying no is a game changer, and you will likely see her become more obsessed. Inside her mind, she is continuously wondering, Why is this man saying no? This is what drives them to get hooked, and they will try everything within their ability to get you to finally start saying yes. Learn to say no, and you will have greater success with women.